Hey Kevin, this is Dakota Smith with Visionary SEO Marketing. Thought I'd put together this quick video and send it over to you to tell you 3 things that you can do today to start beating your competition online. So first, I don't want to waste your time or mine, so I'll try to keep this video short. If by the end of this video you can tell that I've got a few tricks up my sleeve and you want to learn more about how Visionary SEO Marketing can help grow your business online, then please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take these free tips that I'm giving you today and put them into action for yourself. The only thing that I ask is that you give me feedback on this video. So 3 things I'd like to go over today. It's content, citations, and backlinks. You might be asking me, well, what is content? Content is anything on this home page, such as words, pictures, videos, what those pictures and videos are saved as. That's all content. Google likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words. This helps them find keywords. Keywords are just things that the search engine can read to get an idea of what it is that you're actually trying to target, and that'll just help you position in the Google search ranking. So I'm on a competitor's page and you can tell that they have a lot of content on here, and this is really what you're going to want to see when building your website. So we'll hop over to the next thing I want to talk about, that's citations. So what I did is I just typed in spray foam insulation, Springfield, Missouri. And you might be asking me, well, what is citations? Citations has a lot to do with the map portion. It's any time that your company name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories all over the web, such as Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. This is a website I like to use called Yspark. And basically, you can just type in your company name and it'll tell you how many citation sources that you're listed in. And this is your competitor. You can see Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Home Advisor. And what does this mean? Why is it important? So citations are important because you're going to want to get put in all of these, but you're not going to want to stop there. You want to get more citations than your competitors. That's really going to help you take over that targeted market for insulation. So the next thing that I want to talk to you about is backlinks. So what is backlinks? Backlinks is every website that links back to yours, potentially bringing more traffic. And some examples of that is Angie's List, Home Advisor, Better Business Bureau. Those are all backlinks. This is, again, your competitor. You can kind of get a look at some of their backlinks. You've got Insulation, Contractors, Missouri Directory, Springfield Spray Foam Insulation, etc. But I like Ahrefs because you can also see how many keywords that you're being found for on Google. But another thing that I would like to talk to you about before we get into that on backlinks is that you got to remember not all backlinks are created equal. So say you have an ice cream shop and you're listed in there, it's not going to be as powerful as if you're listed in a contractors group or if you're listed in an installation group. So like I said earlier, it'll also show you the keywords that you're found for. So again, this is a competitor. You can see spray foams insulation Springfield, Missouri. It's looked up 30 times each month, and they're ranking #1 in that category. Insulation Springfield, Missouri. It's looked up 80 times each month, and they're ranked 8th in that category. Let's see. Spray foam installers near me. It's looked up 600 times each month. They're ranked 60 in that category. So with that being said, I've kind of ran through a couple of things. So again, if you like this video, please give me a call. We can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just, put this free tips I've given you into action for yourself. With that being said, have a nice day.